What is property income allowance? What is property income allowance? A property allowance for citizens with earnings through assets or properties seems to be a tax exemption costing approximately $1,000 annually. This would be liable for something like a $1,000 credit on your total taxable property whenever you purchase a property. People won't have to contact HMRC if the net profit turnover becomes £1,000 even below when you're not using the exemptions. People must disclose those property earnings when it becomes greater. They can't subtract further than the earnings to incur a deficit. Contact HMRC for total taxable profits of more than £1,000 to £2,500. Claim against self-assessment asset profits above £2,500. Subtract the revenue costs by having a stay inside your residence rather than renting an apartment. Whether you demand a modifier for the rate of borrowing including the capital gains on a rental home, you could not use the mortgage credit. A business that owns or runs, or perhaps a corporation where you are in a partnership, a client. What is property income? Land profits relate to profits as well as benefits earned from property ownership. There are a few sources of land revenues being rental earned through usual resource possession, appreciation obtained. Land earnings are also a component of unpaid earnings that are also listed as static profits. For something like several factors, real estate sales may be a worthwhile business. It provides an option for traditional equity and bond market transactions. What is the property income allowance for 2018? The damages are rendered as well as a tax refund is demanded. People also want to spend willingly on the Class 2 coverage system to enable eligible for only certain compensation. People choose to demand childcare non-taxable centered on the earnings for their self-employment. People may demand to receive a child bonus dependent on their self-assessment. When was the property allowance introduced? In 2017, the exchange as well as property allowances were implemented. This auto-evaluation has been the first instance in which people are entitled to demand allowances starting with the 2017 to 2018 tax cycle. The exemption was made in the form of the Public Finance Management Act 2017.